Please come with me. You can speak well. There is a aeroplane. It is really tough to climbing up. Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my another brand new video. I am optimistic you are all doing fabulous. Alhamdulillah, I am cool and dandy. Today I have come to a mesmerizing place. As you can see, right now I am standing in front of the Rukontila Eco Park. Today I have come with my friend Siddiq and behind the camera my cousin Tarek Ahmed. Now we are climbing up steps. So dear viewers, now we are climbing up by steps. It is really tough to climbing up, but we are trying to our best to climbing up, and we want to go above the place. Come to me, Siddiq. Come to me. Are you tired?
Yes.
Are you tired?
I'm very tired.
Oh, finally we have reached our destination. So dear viewers, stay with us. Now we are at Eco Park, which is located in Kulawra. This is the place. I didn't come this place any other time. This is my first time I have come to here, and I will try to explain the exact view of this place. So dear viewers, as you can see right now, I am going on my left side. Oh, there are different types of flowers are available, and there are different types of flower gardens. Right now, as you can see, oh, what a beautiful white flower. As you can see, oh, this is the belly flowers. Oh, the flowers are really has been glittering, and this is the really quiet place. There is no obstacles, there is no crisis. So I think if anyone want to visit a quiet place, then they can visit the place. Oh my goodness, as you can see, right now I am gonna show you on my right side, there is a aeroplane. Oh, there is a symbol of aeroplane, right? As you can see, there is a...
I'm repeating to you, not only a lot of time for English speaking. Please come with me.
He can speak well, so right now he is trying to speak in English.
Hey, listen to me.
Please explain.
I will explain the so much beautiful place. Come with me.
So dear viewers, as you can see on my right side, there are a lot of Jack's foods are available, and follow me. And now we are get down from the park, and now we are down. So actually, after coming here, I'm really tired. As you can see, I'm sweating because of I didn't come in this place anytime, because it is really a long hill. It is tough for me. Now we are get down from the place. Right now we are leave the place. This is the way of climbing above. Can we climb in this way? Is it possible?
Climb, Chura.
Is it possible?
Not possible.
Is it? Oh, actually, it is not possible to climb up. Beside me, my cousin Tarek Ahmed, and Tarek have told me about the place, and after telling him, I have come to place, and he told me about the place. It is really amazing place. That's why I have visited this place. As you can see, we have come here by motorbike, and now we have to leave the place. As you can see, there are lots of hills are available around us, hills, and it is really amazing moment. There are a lot of trees are available. You know, these trees are maybe automatically planted here, and someone planted. I won't make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamil English Care. Bye bye.